Hey traders, how are you? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Today's date is Monday, January 29th, 2024. Most of you know that this week we've got Mr. Powell speaking on for the Feds there, and that could play a little part in some market action going on. Probably most of all is we've got earnings this week of some powerhouse stocks, absolute powerhouse that could shake everything up, both bullish and both bearish. Now, hey, before I forget, please check it out. Tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday, Doug over at Right Way Options will be hosting open house both days. So if you have time, check it out. I'll put the link. The link will be on the email if you received an email, and it will also be in below the video in the YouTube video that you get if you want to check that out. Okay. So anyway, we've got some powerhouse earnings coming up. We should always be a little cautious on that. With that said, there's some really nice charts. Between last week and so far today, it has been an amazing time trading, making some pretty good money. Let's see. Let's look at this. KRE, we're still holding half of our KRE. I did pull half that off today just to make sure we take some profits and put some profits in our pocket. It looks like it's on its way moving up, so we'll keep you posted on that. On the other side, Citi is still working, looking like it's headed for that breakout. It's still looking pretty good here. You still have this top that it needs to get out of, but it's looking pretty sharp. No signs yet that the bulls are going to back away from it. Another one is Walmart. Walmart has been phenomenal for us, absolutely phenomenal. I have pulled away from some of it. We've sold some last week, sold a little bit more and a little bit more, and we sold a little bit more today. If it does move up, I'll with very seriously think about closing it all out and taking the profits on it. Wait for a pullback, wait for another setup on that. So those are doing great. A couple of charts that I kind of like I'm looking at is Path, and I posted to the members, all the members that has the members app, and of course if you can get to the trading room, then look above in the trading room, up in that other chat up there. I posted a list of stocks. These stocks are on that list, but these are three that I kind of like. Well, I like them all, but I can't do a video on them all. Okay, so. But Path, P-A-T-H, coming off the 50-period moving average here, we've rallied up and pulled back, starting to move up here. Nice little breakout. We're over the earnings. That's something I'm looking for to get away from the earnings. So earnings here not till March. So I'm looking for that one to move on up a little bit higher. For an entry, the entry area would be something like this that I'm going to look at. Whoops, let me move that up just a little, right about there. That's the entry area that I'm going to look at, and I'm going to need some consolidation or a little more up and a little bit of consolidation, something like that. Keep your app on your phone, and I'll certainly post that out there. Another one is Silk. This Silk looks really, really nice. This is a nice rounded bottom breakout that has just been rocking. Several people in the several members already have this, and it's just looking beautiful. Look at that beautiful little consolidation there. 200-period moving average as a directional target, running right up the T-line. Beautiful little T-line run here. Looks absolutely fantastic. So let's put a little ring around. Well, let me put the buy box on that. So ideally, probably should have already been in it myself. So congrats for those that are. So right now, look for a little inside the buy box for a buy on that. And then we'll look for that to move up toward the 200. period moving average. My goodness, that's almost 28%. So there's plenty of room to make some money. Another one is this SNOW, SNOW. SNOW has had a nice little breakout here. There we go. Nice little breakout. Bouncing off that 50 period moving average, rallied right up, pulled back, testing the breakout area. Nice bullish candle today. Earnings, again, we're past that, so not till March. I like that. So looking really, really good here on some of these charts. Anyway, hey, don't forget, check out that open house tomorrow and Wednesday for Doug over in Right Way Options. And then, hey, you guys all take care. Have a great evening, all right? Later.